Hi viewers, welcome to our gardening tool rack ideas. Keeping your gardening tools organized is critical for a productive and enjoyable gardening experience. In this video, we will teach you how to design a functional and visually pleasing gardening tool rack that will make your gardening activities a breeze. Number 1. Pallet Powerhouse. Make a multi-purpose gardening tool rack out a wooden pallet. Attach it to a wall or fence and hang equipment like shovels, racks, and hose from these slats. Hooks or nails can also be used to hang smaller items such as trowels and pruning shears. This do-it-yourself option is inexpensive and provide plenty of storage space for gardening supplies. Number 2. Repurposed kitchen organizer. Repurpose an old kitchen organizer in your garden shed or garage. These organizers often include many shelves and sections that are ideal for storing a various sizes of gardening tools. For convenient access, place it on a countertop or attach it to wall. It's a simple yet effective method for keeping your tools organized. Number 3. Magnetic Magic. Make a one-of-a-kind tool rack by combining magnets. Attach a magnetic strip to the inside of a cabinet door or the wall, and your metal equipment such as scissors, pruning shears, and small hand tools will simply attach to it. This space-saving solution not only organizes your tools but also keeps them accessible. Number 4. Storage for hanging baskets. To make a functional tool storage solution, hang robust baskets or buckets from a wall or pegboard. Place your gardening tool in a baskets or buckets. Grouping them by type not only will this keep your tools organized, but it will also provide a wonderful and rustic touch to your garden shed or garage. It's an eye-catching way to store and show your equipment. Number 5. Tool Shed Pegboard. Install Pegboard to turn your tool shed into a orderly haven. Attach hooks or pegs to the board and hang your tools in a logical manner. Label each component to facilitate identification and access. The pegboard not only maximizes space but also gives your gardening area a professional and efficient appearance. Conclusion. You may build a well-organized and efficient gardening space by applying these inventive gardening tool rack ideas. Say goodbye to culture and hello to the simplicity and convenience of a well-organized garden equipment collection. If you found these suggestions useful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching my video.